Section 11. Support and resistance with practical application. Objective: to understand how support and resistance levels influence price action and how to identify and apply them practically using MT5. A. What are support and resistance? Support is a price level where a currency pair tends to stop falling and may reverse upward. It indicates strong buying interest. 2. We have resistance. Resistance is a price level where price tends to stop rising and may reverse downward. It indicates strong selling interest. These levels act as psychological barriers where traders expect price to behave in a certain way. So let's look at it here. You can see we have the resistance line and the support line, and the price move to the resistance line, return back to the support line. So in this case, this is a ranging market. B. Why are they important? They help identify entry and exit points. 2. Guide stop loss and take profit placement. 3. Work across all time frames. 4. They form the basis for many trading strategies. C. How to identify support and resistance. Manual method. We can see it in the diagram. Here you look for past price levels where price has reversed multiple times. Use recent highs for resistance and recent lows for support. 2. We have round numbers. Price ending in 00 or 50 often act as psychological barriers. Example, 1.1000 or 1.25000. So let's look at what we have on the diagram here. What we have here, you can see here we have 1.34000, and here we have 1.28000. Here too we have 1.24000, and here we have 1.20000. So you can either use the tip of the candlesticks or use the round numbers to draw your resistance and support line. You can as well use the candlesticks, which is what I just mentioned. Long wicks at high or lows indicate possible support and resistance zones. Looking at the diagram, you can see. So let's go to the practical application on PC. Drawing support and resistance. 1. Open a chart on MT5, example Euro USD, and use the 1 hour time frame. Click on Insert and go to Object. You can locate line. Click on Lines and choose the horizontal line or any other. Use the horizontal line to mark obvious swing highs and swing lows. Adjust lines to areas with at least 2 or more touches. Adjust line to areas with at least 2 or more touches. This is how to access the line. So you go to Use, you locate Objects. From there you come to Lines and click on Horizontal Line. Practical task. Identify one support and one resistance zone on any major currency pair. 2. Observe how price behaves around those levels. 3. Wait for price to touch the level and look for confirmation signals like rejection candles or reversal patterns like the one we've discussed earlier, which is the hammer and the bullish or bearish candle. 3. Dynamic support or resistance. Apply moving averages MA to the chart. MAs can act as dynamic support in an uptrend and dynamic resistance in a downtrend. E. Key tips for trading with support and resistance. The more times price touches a level without breaking it, the stronger the level. Broken support can become resistance and vice versa. role reversal, just like a staircase, descending or ascending. Always combine support or resistance with price action or indicators for confirmation. F. Summary. Support and resistance are essential tools in technical analysis. They give structure to the market and help you predict future price behavior. Practicing on MT5 will sharpen your ability to spot these levels and integrate them into your trading decisions.